Hey everyone, let's make quick immunity boost cube. This winter, freeze your cough, cold and fever. Firstly, take fresh sliced of turmeric. It has a great anti-inflammatory properties. Then add sliced ginger. It will improve your gut health and digestion. And finally, add some amla, the powerhouse of vitamin C. Then blend the mixture and pour into the ice tray and wait for 8 to 12 hours to freeze the mixture. These frozen immunity cubes are packed with the goodness of turmeric, ginger and amla. Pop them out from the ice tray and drop one cube into the hot water, and with a teaspoon of honey, stir it and sip your way to better health. A powerful detoxifying warm drink.